Sweepy app, quite interesting home cleaning schedule. Schedule your house chores. So Sweepy, the app that helps you keep your home clean and organized. Create your house cleaning schedule to split your chores with your family. Turn your cleaning routine into a game. Track the cleanliness of each room in your household. Prioritize the tasks that need urgent cleaning. Distribute the workload among the residents in your home. Automatically generate a daily cleaning schedule for each member in your home. Synchronize between devices. So you can see general conditions of use, respect of your privacy. So you can see here the details. Create a schedule. Keep your house clean. Compete with others. Sync with other devices. And there are also widgets. So if you are a cleaning freak, if you like to clean everything in your house, in your apartment, and just have specific app for that you just keep focused and organized, and then you just can start a new home, or you can create a home for your cleaning stuff. So you can also do that, and then you can see all of this, what you want to do, and then you can set the reminders for each prop, kind of how do you want to organize it in here. So that's kind of the idea, and then you can just create it like that. So yeah, try it out.